A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
Wait lang. Stop ko na. Kasama yan.
So we just bought pallet at 280 pesos. So this one will be the flooring of the kubo. Right, let's go. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go. Yay! Good morning! Good morning. Last stop before going to the farm. We just bought some corrugated roof for our small kubo.
Ilan na?
10 na yun, kuya?
Ilan mo? Dalawa. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Lima. Anim. Ito. Walo. Siyam. 10. O, kaso yun na.
Sarado?
Oh, ito. Ito isa na sa akin natin. Hey guys. Apa?
Alright, materials are all complete. Let's go to the farm. guys, we are going to install the roof for our small cabin here in the farm. This is the second cabin. This is located beside the stream, so it is very nice. You can hear the sound, so relaxing. This is part of this property, and what I like before buying this property is somehow the number one, the flat area which is there, and this area, so it is good for somewhat accommodation, because I want this farm to be a campsite soon. We can share this farm into our guests, into our visitors. Beside this property is the stream, that part. Now they are going to install this roof. So I bought colored corrugated roof. We can't paint this anymore because it is already colored. So yeah, that's the real idea. So behind me, somewhat the slope and the main gate of the farm. So each development, somehow I see to it that it is already final. So this part will be the villa or the small cabin for our visitors, and then they can go camping here beside the stream. So down below is the water source, deep well. Alright, so in that flat area will be the greenhouse. That's the main attraction of this property, of this farm. Yeah. Makapal din yun, kaso mahal.
Walang kulay. Makapal yan. Sakto.
Kaya yung matatanggal natin itong sa gilid, ano mo na lang, no? Reinforce. Ito mga po.
Ay, dito. Oo.
Para hindi uuga-uga.
Hindi, pag yan, pati nalagyan ng sahig na, hindi na yung gagalaw. Oo. Ano pa kami, wala pa tayong sahig eh.
Right, this is very perfect place. Soon we will be sharing this place to our guests, to our visitors, so that we can relax here. You can enjoy the view and somehow camping. This is very, very ideal for people who love nature, who love adventure also. Alright, so we are going to think what will be the activity aside from camping, aside from bonfire, aside from swimming. They are going to practice also gardening. So we're going to teach them how to do organic and hydroponic system. So guys, I will update you next week on the development of this small villa or kubo. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you stay well and stay healthy. God bless all. See you next episode. Bye bye.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer.
Hello! Kamay!
Grabe talaga ang lugar mo ba? Parang gusto ko na matulog dito. Ang lamig.
Sabi sa'yo eh, oh.
Masyado dito ba?
Yung papag lang dyan, oh.
Dito na talaga papasok yung mga kagulay natin, no? Talagang marami na ang matututunan dito sa inyo kasi meron ng demo farms.
Pwede dito mag kwarto dito. Gawin ko tong kwarto. Hindi ko alam kung pag kasi terrace dyan. Magkape ka dito. Maririnig mo lang yung ilog eh, no? Wow!